Hello. So our today's question is the kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at a point A, B and C are Ka, Kb and Kc respectively. AC is the major axis and SP is the perpendicular to AC at the position of S, that is the Sun, as shown in the figure. Now we have to tell about the energies at different points. So if you see here at A, that's the velocity of point A, and at C, that's the velocity of point C. So point A is perihelion and point C is aphelion. So velocity of A is greater than the velocity of B, which is greater than the velocity of C. And as you already know from the formula of kinetic energy is directly proportional to velocity. So that means that kinetic energy of A is greater than B, which is greater than C. That means that our answer is option C. Thank you.